You guys are here obviously because you're trying to go from a afro to curly hair. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. But please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, give your boy a like, and show some love. Alright, so if you want to see how I got this curly hair, stay tuned.
So 3 simple steps. You need some water. Go ahead and get you some styling gel. I'm using the Shea Moisture here, and I also have a Hold and Shine Moisture Mist from Shea Moisture. First, I'm going to pick out my hair, which had a curly style in it already, so it was a little difficult combing it out. So it's super important to comb out as much hair as you can. I tried to comb out all the little naps and curls, which sometimes takes my hair out, so it's always good to get it nice and wet. So I've learned that using a lot of water to where your hair is dripping wet, the product actually curls and works a lot better. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair down, rub my hands through it a little bit, and actually go back in with some more water so that way it's dripping wet, so that way the curls look their best. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Styling Gel, which I really love. It's the coconut scent. I don't usually like gels, but this one works really well. Plus, my hair doesn't get all crunchy and nasty when it's done. So it was super easy to just spray some water, put some gel in, and then just make forward and backward motions so that way my curls just curled up. Okay, I'm going to go in with a little more water just to get the curls really popping. And as you can see, they're dripping wet now. I like to continue to make those back and forward motions so that way all of the curls get some water, get some gel. And look at the front, look at that. They be hanging over. Oh, I love when it looks like this. And it definitely dries. I would say give it like 20-30 minutes to dry completely. Well, not completely, but some. And then, yeah, you have a nice head of curls. Voila! And as you can see, this is the finished product. I let it dry for about 30 minutes. I didn't really want to put heat on it, but I put the blow dryer on cool and then gave it like a quick little brush over with the blow dryer. Then I went and got my Shea Moisture Hold and Shine Moisturizing Spray, and I just spray it on so it give it a little sheen, give it a little body, comb my hair out, or brush it down a little bit, and then I'm on my way. And that is the tutorial from my afro to curly hair. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. I'm out this piece as always.